Understanding Parent Workshops, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and significance of parent workshops. These workshops are an essential part of educational and community settings, and understanding them can greatly enhance your English language skills. Let's dive in. Parent workshops are interactive sessions organized by schools, communities, or organizations. They are designed to involve parents in their children's education and development. These workshops cover a wide range of topics, such as parenting strategies, child development, education techniques, and community resources. Understanding these workshops is crucial for parents who want to be more involved in their children's educational journey. Parent workshops play a vital role in building a strong community and fostering effective communication between parents and educators. They provide valuable information that can help parents support their children's learning at home. These workshops also offer a platform for parents to share experiences, ask questions, and learn from experts in various fields. Typical parent workshops might include topics like 1. Effective communication, enhancing dialogue between parents and children. 2. Educational support, strategies to assist with homework and learning activities. 3. Emotional well-being, understanding children's emotional needs and responses. 4. Health and nutrition, tips for maintaining a healthy lifestyle for families. 5. Internet safety, guiding children in the safe use of digital technologies. Attending these workshops can be incredibly beneficial. Here are some tips. Stay engaged, be active in discussions and ask questions. Apply learning, use the insights gained in your daily parenting. Network, connect with other parents and educators. Seek resources, gather materials and contacts for future reference. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what parent workshops are and why they're so important. They're not just about learning. They're about building a community that supports our children's growth and development. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in our English language learning series.